What we like to try to do with public art is to reinforce a community's identity.
Public art really has an opportunity to enhance its environment. It's beneficial to the local communities. It's an opportunity for visitors to come and reflect potentially.
Our company is really about placemaking, and so we always think about projects in the context of people and place. We've had 4 commissions with Gordon, and they've all been unique and different and exciting. And he's very contextual, and his pieces have been timeless.
I want to bring you a sense of wonder. I want to make you smile. I want to make you laugh. I want to make you think. I want to make you want to linger around that space and enjoy it.
He pulls things out that he's almost in your head.
He always thought, I think, a little differently than others.
He's extremely receptive to feedback.
I think that just creates this kind of virtuous cycle where people work well and collaborate well together.
I'll have a schematic idea, and we bring everybody together very early, and we include the client, and the client's informed every step of the way, all the way through installation. We have a beautiful 15,000 square foot studio here in Napa, California. At any given time, we have a couple of dozen, 3 dozen projects going on at once, so it really does require that we have an infrastructure of very talented people that we match to the different projects. For the past 35 years, I've been working from the size of a napkin to a mile-long installation. All over the United States and different parts of the world, we love what we do, and we're looking forward to doing more in the future.